Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the future of premium mobility, luxury electric cars in 2026. The conversation has shifted from just range and charging to the entire experience: design, tech, and sustainability. Established brands and bold newcomers are reimagining what luxury means, using electric platforms to create something truly new. Materials, interfaces, and driving dynamics are evolving fast. In this video, we'll count down the most anticipated models coming in 2026. We'll break down their specs, design philosophies, and standout features. Let's jump into the future of luxury rides. First up, the Porsche Taycan Turbo S, already a legend in the world of electric vehicles, and now re-engineered for 2026 with even more ambition and innovation. The new 105 kWh battery and advanced 800-volt architecture mean lightning-fast charging, 10 to 80% in just 15 minutes. That's not just quick, it's transformative for daily use and long journeys alike. Imagine pulling over for a quick coffee and gaining hundreds of miles of range before you're done. That's a true game changer for road trips and everyday convenience. Performance? 0 to 60 in just 2.2 seconds. Hypercar speed in a four-door sedan, blending practicality with pure adrenaline. Porsche's launch control and power delivery are flawless, making every drive electrifying and confidence-inspiring, whether you're on a twisty mountain road or a city street. Inside, Porsche debuts eco-suede made from recycled ocean plastics, luxury with a conscience, and a tactile experience that feels as good as it looks. It's premium, tactile, and tells a story of environmental responsibility, showing that sustainability and luxury can coexist seamlessly. Sustainability isn't an afterthought, it's integral to the Taycan's identity, woven into every detail from the seats to the stitching. The 2026 Taycan Turbo S is faster, charges quicker, and is more thoughtful in its materials than ever before, setting a new standard for what's possible in a luxury EV. Porsche proves electric sports sedans are not just the future, they're the present, redefining what drivers can expect from performance and sustainability. It's a comprehensive package: performance, prestige, and purpose, all wrapped in unmistakable Porsche design. The Taycan sets the bar for what a luxury EV can be. The competition has its work cut out. Let's see who's next. Enter the Cadillac Optiq V, a bold American take on electric luxury. With an 85 kWh battery and 0-60 in 3.5 seconds, this SUV is both practical and thrilling. The V-mode toggle transforms the car's personality, sharpening everything for maximum performance. AI-driven suspension scans the road and adapts in real time, delivering comfort or agility as needed. It's a blend of muscle and intelligence, classic Cadillac, reimagined. The Optiq V's tech-forward approach and aggressive styling challenge the European establishment. Cadillac isn't just joining the EV race, they're aiming to lead with a uniquely American high-tech luxury SUV. The Optiq V is proof that the future of American luxury is electric, smart, and bold. It's a serious contender in the global luxury EV market. Next, let's see how the Brits are responding. The electric revolution is truly global. On to Jaguar. Jaguar's iconic XJ returns as a fully electric flagship, blending heritage with next-gen tech. A 95 kW battery delivers long range and 0-60 in just 3.1 seconds, serene yet potent. Predictive performance mode uses navigation, traffic, and your driving style to optimize handling and efficiency. The car anticipates corners, primes the battery, and adjusts suspension for agility or range. The XJ is a connected hub, with built-in 4G Wi-Fi for seamless productivity and entertainment. Jaguar's holistic approach makes the XJ smart, beautiful, and thrilling. It's a pivotal moment for the brand, reinventing luxury for the electric era. The XJ EV is poised to lead, not follow. British luxury, electrified and redefined. Now, let's step into true opulence. Rolls-Royce Spectre, the ultimate expression of electric luxury where innovation and tradition meet in perfect harmony. The silent, smooth powertrain is a perfect match for the brand's ethos of serenity, delivering a drive so tranquil it feels almost otherworldly. Inside, a breathtaking 48-inch panoramic OLED display spans the dash, blending digital innovation with timeless elegance and offering a seamless interface for both driver and passenger. The iconic Starlight headliner now extends to the doors, surrounding occupants in a magical, immersive ambiance that transforms every drive into a celestial experience. Level 3 Autonomous Silent Mode lets the car take over on highways, turning every journey into a tranquil escape where you can truly relax and enjoy the ride. Every detail is engineered for supreme smoothness, what Rolls calls waftability. The suspension absorbs every imperfection, ensuring a ride that feels like floating on air. The Spectre isn't about speed, it's about effortless perfection, where every moment behind the wheel is elevated to an art form. Electric power doesn't change the Rolls-Royce formula, it perfects it, enhancing the marque's legendary quietness and refinement. Traditional craftsmanship meets cutting-edge tech for a rolling work of art, where every surface and interface is meticulously crafted. The Spectre is the future of opulence, silent, seamless, and sublime, setting a new standard for what luxury can be in the electric age. Next, let's see how Mercedes is redefining family luxury, bringing their own vision of comfort and innovation to the electric era. The bar for comfort and tech just got higher as Mercedes introduces features designed for every member of the family. Onward to the EQS SUV, where luxury meets versatility for the modern world. Mercedes EQS SUV is the pinnacle of high-tech, family-friendly electric luxury. The showstopper, a 56-inch M-Bux hyperscreen, 3 OLED displays under a single glass panel, powered by AI. The zero-layer interface learns your habits, making the cabin feel intuitive and futuristic. AI adaptive aromatic suspension scans the road and remembers locations, adjusting automatically for comfort. The interior can be fully vegan, using premium, sustainable materials. Even the floor mats are made from upcycled fishing nets, luxury with a purpose. Mercedes weaves sustainability into every detail, not just the headlines. The EQS SUV is spacious, smart, and eco-conscious, a glimpse into the future of family luxury. It's a tech powerhouse that doesn't compromise on comfort or ethics. The competition is fierce, but Mercedes is setting new standards. Now, let's look at a tech disruptor from the East. Meet the Neo ET7, a Chinese flagship sedan shaking up the luxury EV world. With its bold design and cutting-edge technology, the ET7 is quickly becoming a symbol of China's ambition to lead the electric revolution. Step inside and you're greeted by a massive 23-inch sky screen stretching across the dash, and Nomi, the world's first in-car AI companion. This duo doesn't just add wow factor, it redefines what it means to interact with your car, making every journey smarter, more intuitive, and even a little fun. The ET7's Level 4 Urban Autonomy Suite uses LiDAR and advanced sensors for near-complete self-driving in cities. Imagine gliding through rush hour while the car handles the chaos, letting you relax or focus on what matters most. Neo's NAD system is subscription-based, with over-the-air updates that keep the car evolving. Your ET7 gets smarter and safer with every update, always at the cutting edge of technology. The real game changer? Battery swap stations. Get a fresh battery in 3 minutes faster than refueling. No more waiting for a charge, just swap and go, making long trips effortless and convenient. Battery as a service lets you buy the car without the battery, lowering upfront cost and enabling easy upgrades. It's a flexible ownership model that puts you in control, whether you want to upgrade your range or save on costs. Neo's approach is tech-first, lifestyle-driven, and fundamentally different from Western rivals. It's not just about the car, it's about creating a connected, forward-thinking experience for a new generation of drivers. The ET7 is a dark horse, ambitious, innovative, and impossible to ignore. It's setting new standards and challenging the status quo in the luxury EV market. It's proof that the most exciting EV innovations are coming from all corners of the globe. The competition is fierce, and the pace of change is accelerating. The luxury EV race is wide open, with new contenders emerging and established brands upping their game. Next, let's explore the materials shaping this new era. From recycled fabrics to innovative eco-friendly trims, luxury is being redefined. Sustainability is the new luxury, and the future of premium electric vehicles is greener than ever.